In this video, we will discuss about the motion of the electron in a conductor. We know that the conductor have free electrons. As the conductors have free electrons, so they can move freely inside a conductor. If you see this diagram, the ions in a conductor have their fixed position according to their crystal lattice structure. And the outermost electron can move freely anywhere inside this conductor. Moreover, if you see carefully, we know that the concentration of these electrons or concentration of these free electron is very, very large in a metal. That is of the order of 10 raised to about 25. And each electron is moving with very high velocity, that is 10 raised to power 5 to 6 meter per second. This is also known as a thermal velocity. This velocity is because of the thermal motion of the electrons. So if you combine both, a very large cloud of electrons is moving randomly in all possible directions with very high speed, have every chance to collide with each other. Not only collide with each other as well as collide with the ions. So because of this motion, the path of the electron is random. As you see carefully, to every chance they will collide, and if you observe the motion of the one electron, you will find that the path of electron is random. If you see here, the electron is moving and it collides and changes its direction. Similarly, here also collides with other electron and changes its direction. Similarly, it keeps on changing its direction and reaches to the final point B. So, if you see carefully, the path of these electrons is random in nature. This is for one electrons. If you see carefully, all the electrons in a conductor will have a random path, moving randomly. If you see this diagram, here all the electrons have a random motion. So, if you find that the resultant velocity, your average velocity of these electrons, the average velocity is found to be 0. Average velocity of these electrons is 0 because all the electrons are moving randomly and they have not a fixed directions and they are continuously changing its direction. Moreover, it is also found that if I draw any cross-sectional area, the number of electrons crossing this area along the right side is equal to the number of the electrons which are crossing this area in the left side. Both are equal. So you can say that the resultant flow of charge is also 0. And the average velocity of these electrons is 0. If you similarly, as the path is random, so the average velocity of all the electrons which are moving inside a metal conductor is always equal to 0. That is the case when you don't apply any battery. ये तब का केस है जब हम बैटरी नहीं लगाते हैं. As there is no crossing of charge, so the current is also equal to 0.